Warm welcome you all in science class. Today we are going to see our activity which is based upon compound. So let us start this activity. First of all, what is compound? Compound definition is like this: when two or more than two substances combine together chemically in a fixed ratio such that they can be separated only by chemical means, then a compound is formed. So, in today's activity, we are going to see how the chemical has formed and how it is different from its element. So, for this activity, we required test tube stand, test tube holder, hard glass test tube, Bunsen burner, tripod stand, wire, gauge, magnet, china dish and a watch glass. And the chemical which is required for this activity are iron fillings, sulfur powder and carbon disulfide. So let's see. First steps, we are going to prepare a mixture of iron and the sulfur powder. We will take a pinch of iron filling and a 2 pinch of sulfur powder, mix them thoroughly, and the product obtained is a mixture of iron and sulfide. We will keep it in a watch glass A. Now, second process is, we are going to prepare the compound of iron and sulfur. We will take a pinch of iron filling and a pinch of sulfur powder in a hard glass test tube. We will hold it in a test tube holder, heat it on the flame till the color will be red hot color. The reaction between the sulfur and the iron filling is seen in the test tube, and the substance which has formed is nothing but the iron sulfide. Now we will transfer the compound formed in a watch glass B. The mixture of iron filling and sulfur powder can be heated in the china dish. If we don't have a test tube, then we can use this china dish. Now we will record our observation. We can see that in watch glass A, the iron fillings which we have taken is cling to the magnet from the watch glass A, but not in the watch glass B. Means it will be sticked in the magnet. Iron filling will be stick in the magnet from the watch glass A, but not from the watch glass B. Now the second thing is that, and it shows that constituent of the mixture A can be separated physically but not in the B compound. Means the iron can be separated from the watch glass A but not from the watch glass B, because it has totally changed into the compound. Okay. So this is the process by which it shows that we cannot change the compound by the physical means. Okay. So this is the activity which is based upon compound, and compound cannot be separated by the physical means. It can be only by the chemical means. Thank you.